Welcome to MPS Motivators, a unique online teaching and learning platform. I am Janendra Kumar standing in front of you. Before starting this session, I would like to wish you all a very gracious good morning. So good morning friends. And I would like to give you the preview of my previous session. I taught you about indefinite number or quantity plus of plus noun, in which I mentioned a few examples also. I would like to teach you with the same rule by giving some more examples. So friends, let us see some more examples on the same rule. That was the fourth rule of subject verb agreement, and I gave you two examples based on it. And in this session I am going to just advance that session, giving you some more examples. Friends, I have taken four examples. The first example is half of the milk is wasted, यानी जितना भी दूध था उसका आधा बर्बाद हो गया है, नष्ट हो गया है. So half of the milk is wasted. Here we see that milk is a material noun and half of is used before it to denote indefinite quantity of milk. Friends, here we have to use the between half of and milk. It means before the material noun we have to use the in this type of sentences. So half of the milk is wasted. Here we have used is because the noun milk is a material noun and it denotes a singular subject. In the second example, I have written a sentence that is half of the mangoes are rotten. Half of the mangoes are rotten. It means आमों में से आधा सड़ा हुआ है. Here, after the indefinite adjective of number, we have used the plural countable noun mangoes. So we have used a plural verb with it. Here mangoes is a plural countable noun. The will be used before it because when half of or most of or a lot of etc is used before a noun, we have to use the before the noun, whether it is a material noun or a common noun. We have to use the before it. So we are seeing here that in some sentence we have used is and in some sentence we have used are. When a material noun is used in such a sentence, we use is, and when a plural countable noun, that is a common noun, is used in such a sentence, we use are. So friends, in the third example, most of the dirt has been removed, यानी अधिकांश गंदगी हटा दिया गया है, रिमूव कर दिया गया है. Here also we see that the word dirt is a material noun and so a singular verb has been used with it. In the fourth example, most of the students are present in the class. The noun students is a plural countable noun, or we can say a common noun also. So with it we have used a plural verb are. So friends, with these examples, the fourth rule must have been clear and you must have understood when we use a singular verb and when we use a plural verb in case of indefinite number oblique quantity plus of plus noun. Okay friends, now you can take its screenshot. Friends, now I am going to discuss with you difference between a number of and the number of. What is difference between a number of and the number of? Friends, we can take it as a note under the same rule. Friends, a number of means many or several. A number of का अर्थ होता है बहुत. Many का और several का अर्थ भी होता है बहुत. So we can say that the synonyms of a number of are many and several. We can also use a lot of in place of a number of. So friends, we use it before a plural countable noun and a plural verb is used with it. It will be clear with a few examples. For example, a number of students. Here, when we use a number of, we don't use the before the noun students or any other plural countable noun. We directly use the plural countable noun after a number of. So, the sentence a number of students are going on a picnic means बहुत सारे विद्यार्थी पिकनिक पर जा रहे हैं. Here are is used with the plural countable noun students. Next, I will discuss with you about the use of the number of. The next important point related to the fourth rule is the number of is used before a plural countable noun to denote the number of persons or things, and a singular verb is used with it. In case we use the number of before a plural countable noun, we use a singular verb with it. यदि हम लोग प्लूरल काउंटेबल नाउन के पहले द नंबर ऑफ का प्रयोग करते हैं तो उसके साथ सिंगुलर वर्ब का प्रयोग किया जाता है, और यदि किसी प्लूरल काउंटेबल नाउन के पहले अ नंबर ऑफ का प्रयोग किया जाता है तो उसके साथ प्लूरल वर्ब का प्रयोग किया जाता है. जैसा कि पिछले इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट में हम लोगों ने देखा, वी जस्ट सॉ द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट in which we learnt that when a number of is used before a plural countable noun, we use a plural verb with it, and when the number of is used before a plural countable noun, we use a singular verb with it. For example, the number of boys in the class is 40. यानी वर्ग में लड़कों की संख्या 40 है. So friends, now you can take its screenshot, and with this note related to the fourth rule, I am ending this session. But the process of giving you notes related to the same rule will be going on, and I will explain them in the next session. Till that time, I would like to suggest you to revise all the taught materials, and also request you to like it, comment it and share it to your friends, as well as download MPS Motivators by going to Play Store. Thank you. Have a nice day.